How to turn on comments on YouTube. Hello everyone, and let's get started without any delay. So first of all, open any of your browser and then search for youtube.com. Make sure that you are signed in or logged in into your account. So once you have done so, click on your profile icon which is on the top right corner and then visit your YouTube studio. Once you tap on it, you will land to another page which is for your channel's dashboard. Now from the left side, scroll down to find settings and tap on it. Under this you will see different options. Go to community. There are two options, that is automated filters and default. Tap on default. Here you can see the comments section. Now you can either allow all comments, hold all comments for review, or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Or you can just allow all comments if you wish to. So once you have done so, click on save and you are good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.